Hello, welcome to this other example of isometric projection. I decided to make this example so as to make the earlier one clearer, because some of you may not be able to follow the first one I demonstrated. So this is just a complement of what we've done earlier. This is a block that has been given to us. In this block given, you notice that here is 80 millimeters. This other part is 80 millimeters. The height is 90. Then the box inside is 40 and 40. Like I told you earlier, if you are to draw isometric blocks, what it means is to reproduce what you are given. And how do you go about it? What is the principle that you make use of when drawing isometric blocks? You make use of your 30-60 degree set square. Now, how do we go about this work? The first thing you do is to draw the whole diagram in faint drawings called construction lines. How do you do that? Now, let us start together. I take my T-square, and on the lower part here, let us assume I just draw a mark. That's it. And with my 30-60, I draw a vertical line. Take note, everything is faint. Later, I'll bring out the outline. Now, this is an intersection here. I take my 30. That's it. Can you see that? I go this way. I rotate it. And here we go. To get the foundation of what we're doing. That's it. Good. The next thing you do is to take your measurements and transfer the lines. I take my 80. That's it. That's 80 there. Are you watching me? Now I put it at this intersection. I cut this way and I cut this way. And we are told the height is how many? 90. So I take my number 9. That's it there. I put it here. This. Good. The work has started. Let us now transfer lines. I'm transferring this line up here, this one up here. How do we do that? All you need to do is to take your set square. Your T-square is fully aligned with your board. That's it there. We go this way. That line has been transferred. I rotate my set square. And here I go. You see that? Good. And at this point, I draw my vertical line, transferring this line here and here. That's it. I'm now using the side of my set square. That's it there. I come this way, and there I go. Now, what do? Since everything is 80, I transfer this line this way, and I transfer this way. By taking my set square, I take it there. Are you with me? Good. Take it there. Watch. And I've transferred it. I rotate. Take it this way. Be very careful. Isometric drawing is very easy. That's it. Good. And we are told that the box inside, now watch. This is the diagram that we are given, that we are reproducing. The box inside here, if you see, is 40. You see that? Is 40. Which means we're going to take 20 here and take 20 this way to leave the 40 in the middle. So what do? I take my 20. Take my 20 this way. That's it. 20. I put it here. Cut this line. I put it this way also. Let me just put it here. Okay. Let me take this way. Put it this way. And there I go. And that's about all. Now I take my 30 degree set square again. Okay, I'll need another 20 this way. Wow, that's it. And another one here. Fine. All right. Now I take my set square. That's the 20 there. To that mark, I go this way. I go to the next 20. We go. Take this way. I take it there. Are you watching me? Good. I slant it here. quite simple. And there I go. Good. Now at this area we have a block there. There was a block shown there. That's it. Good. 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 That is done. Immediately that is done, what we now do is since the work has been completed in a way, we now bring out the outline. From the screen, you will not be able to see my work clearly, but let me now bring out the outlines of everything that we have done to bring the work to life. That's it there. You must be very careful here so that you do not repeat lines, like you're doubling your lines. Fine. This part is quite easy because the main job is done. Bring out your outline carefully. I know your teacher is going to do more here for you, but this is just the principle of how to go about drawing your isometric block. Fine. My work is now taking shape from the faint or construction lines I've drawn earlier. That's how to give out your work so as to be neat at the end of the day. That's it there. These are small block inside. Yeah. Be very careful. Be very careful. Do not be at a rush, please. Do not be at a rush. Take your time. You don't need to stress yourself. All right? We are moving. And there we go. You see, the work is done. But we are not yet done. The next thing you do is to do what is called dimensioning. Now, please be careful. Your dimension line should not be too close to the object. You take it a little distance, let's say 20 millimeters apart. Good. You go as if you are drawing diagram again, but this time use faint lines anyway. And that's my arrow. This is my arrow. And we also take this part. Good. You may decide to put all your dimensions up here. Let me rotate here. Good. All right. That's it. Fine. This is my arrow here. You see, it's just a continuation. And let me rotate here. That's it. Fine. My arrow is here. Can you see that? Like we said, this place is 80. Here earlier was 80. Good. But our little box inside, if you remember, that's it there. Here gives us what? 40. And outside there, that's it. Here gives us what again? 40. And like we said, on the height, we have what? 90. You see, our work is complete. So, all you need to do, if you don't get the step, just press the replay button and you get the whole idea about how this work is done. Thank you very much for joining me in this projections. In my next lesson, I'm going to show you how to draw orthographic blocks. Bye-bye.